Some of the considerations that we have when designing a pool are really the location, the lot requirements, what you're trying to establish, whether it be a view inside of the house. When you walk in the front door, do you want to see that hot tub, or do you want to see the steel monument that we designed, or the fire pit, or that kind of thing? But also the space and the availability that you have to build that pool and still be able to entertain around the pool. So it's not really just the pool, but the decking and the location of where you're going to lay out in the summers, or where you're going to be, sitting in the late afternoons, or whether you're, having a cup of coffee in the morning. All those things are considerations when you're actually designing that pool that you need to think through. We call those impact points that, when you walk in the front door, what do you see? When you walk outside the back door and you look at that pool, what do you see? How does that make you feel? The emotional points that you're trying to touch on are really important when you're doing the design, not just the pool and the structure, but the look and the feel and what it does for you at certain times of the day.